To start with the project, I will use 2 yarns and make the magic ring. Then I will make chain 2, and inside the magic ring I will make 12 double crochet. So I will finish this step and come back to you. And here I finished the 12 double crochet. I will close the magic ring and close the magic ring with slide stitch. Now for the next round I will increase all the stitches, so by the end of this round I will get 24 stitches plus the chain, because I'm just gonna add the chain. I'm not gonna do anything. So any row I will finish, I will make 2 chain, then I will increase just the stitches, so every stitch will be double. So I will increase all the stitches and come back to you. And here I will just close the circle with the slide stitch, then chain 2, and now I will increase every second one. So the first one will be normal, and then I will increase the second one. That's 1, and increase the second one. By the end of this round I will get 36 stitches. So 1, 3, 1 and double, 1 and double until I finish this round. And here I finished the third round, and I will close it with the slide stitch. And we will start again with chain 2, then another 1, so chain 3, then I will make double crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet. That means I will just crochet normally, but between the stitches I will just make 1 chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, and I will finish this round, and it's gonna be like that. I will finish this round and come back to you. And now here as I finished this round I will close it with the slide stitch as well. Then I will change the color to red. So to start with red, I will go all around the circle with a slide stitch, and this is how to go around with a slide stitch. As I told you before, when I mix colors we make slide stitch with the new color, so it will not show up here the mixing between colors. Before doing any step, so I will finish all around with the slide stitch. I will finish this round and come back to you. And here I finished the slide stitch around. I will cut the yarn. Now I will start with the green color. I will chain 3 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 2 and another 2 double crochet in the same stitch, like that. Then, as you can see here, we will count the stitches, these stitches, not the one here. So when I'm going to skip 2, I will skip these 2 and then I will crochet 2 double crochet inside in this stitch, then crochet 2 and again 2 double crochet inside this stitch in one stitch. So we are making 4 double crochet in one stitch, but with 2 chain gap in one stitch. So I will finish this all around here and come back to you. So we will skip these 2, not here, no, we are not counting these stitches, we are counting these stitches. We're gonna skip 2. I will make another one to show you. So I'm skipping 2, so I will go to this one and I will crochet 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, as you can see. Now I will finish the round and come back to you. So here I will end this round with slide stitch, and here I finished this round, and I will cut the yarn and I will start with red again to crochet the roses. To start with rose, I'm going to work on the gaps here. So I'm going not to connect it with the green color. I'm just going to work alone like that. I will chain 3, then I will make 9 double crochet plus the chain, they will be 10. So this is 2, 3. I'm counting just the double crochets. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus the chain, they have to be 10. So I will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will close the rows with 2 chain. Then I will start over again with the second gap and chain 2, and again I will crochet 9 double crochet, so again I I will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I will close it again with 2 chain, then start over again. So I will finish this round with the roses and come back to you. Here I finished all the roses. Now I will attach this wood piece underneath it. I will attach it with the glue, and let me just close it because it's hard glue. We need to attach it carefully. We will leave it to dry. And now our project is finished and I'm going to enjoy my tea. Thanks for watching.